Well, Ross, good. Excellent. Mike, we need that place now. It's what you are. Good afternoon, brother. Excellent. I went to Lagos. Oh, you did? Yeah. I came back not too long ago. Well, you should have just walked and gone. This man, what's your name? Hey, Oga, leave that place now. Okay, now. Yes. We have something to tell you. You should know. We have something to tell you. Yes. So you went for notice the cover people. You know.
Okay. Vice Chairman, oh yeah.
Are you ready?
Come now.
Thank you. February 2024 at Oyo House. The PDP Governors Forum held a meeting under my humble leadership at the Oyo State Governors Lodge on the 12th of February 2024. The meeting deliberated on various issues of interest and concern to the forum, the People's Democratic Party (PDP), the country, and other stakeholders, and took the following decisions. The meeting reviewed the state of the nation and noted the hardship being faced by Nigerians as a result of economic and security challenges facing the nation. The forum consequently urges the federal government to, as a matter of urgency, embark on initiatives involving all the subnational governments to bring a lasting solution to the crisis. The PDP governors will continue to play their part in the effort to bring security and support to our people. Two, to this end, we reiterate our call for the state police with appropriate safeguards to avoid any abuse or overreach by any tier of government. Three, the forum decried the falling value of the naira and requested the monetary and physical authorities to find appropriate solutions. Four, the meeting further reviewed recent developments in the People's Democratic Party and committed to leading efforts to revamp and reposition the party to serve as an effective opposition in the country. Number five, further, the forum passed a vote of confidence in the Iliad Amagun-led National Working Committee (NWC) of the party and urged it to put in motion the necessary machinery for convening meetings of the appropriate organs of the party from caucus to the National Executive Committee (NEC) as soon as possible. Thank you very much. The cost of living is not only under the purview of the federal government, it is their responsibility. We have been partnering even as opposition to make sure that we don't bring any destruction. But certainly the monetary policies and the economic policies rest here. And we can see that we know the majority of Nigerians live in the states. And so we are doing so much across party lines on a bipartisan basis within the Nigerian Governors Forum, within the National Economic Council, to make sure that we cushion the effect of this, some of these policies that have far-reaching consequences on our people. That ensuring that we reach out to our people and of course have some food reserve in a manner that we will have provide some support to our people at the lower level. The PDP is the most democratic party, the most experienced party in the country. We have followed the mill of governance, and Nigerians took decision to bring in APC at the center. And we respect the sensibility and senses of judgment of Nigerians. We cannot insult Nigerians, but the decision of that of Nigerians. And so everybody is seen. We are giving positive opposition or concrete criticism to the federal government of no shows policies. But certainly at the onset of this administration, we supported the removal of subsidy. We thought there were setbacks. We believe that if we took collective decision, we should go by it. But certainly, we have seen that it is a free fall for the naira. The cost of living is going high. We are almost on the road to Venezuela. We have experiences all elsewhere. So we are giving concrete and positive opposition, but not insulting anybody. But certainly the decision rests with Nigerians and other organs of the country to make sure that we effect a change in a manner that will bring support to all of us.
Last question from this side. It's two questions.
Behind a door, and you can see there is no rancor, there is no division, and we are very much behind the National Working Committee and the state chapter of the party, and indeed the governor, to make sure that we go together in unison, in unity, to produce a successor for our most respected, the eldest governor in the Governors Forum, Governor Obaseki. Thank you very much.
Wait. Listen.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.